You want me to turn your side, Wara? It not coming like me, you're good. So wait, let me draw near. This is all machine for you? You want to turn your side, chick? Lord, take the case and give me the pillar. After 6 weeks, chicken turn foul. So right now, to all me all, them a bone one pressure cooker. This your queen and it turn nobody side foul. For me number one rule is, never be number two. It no matter how the man them feel. For me first question, what's your marital status, may I ask? Me no care how much your piece bun grass. Me no fight no other foul for me to cock. But if I attack, me ready for rolling at the sack. Some of we boost the unfaithful man them fi play around. Fi getting say we are queens and fleeing where we crown. Women, all of we are queen. We could adjust each other crown and make sure it no lean. To we king, make we show love and respect. Stay by him side and support him in every aspect. Single woman, not afraid to stay alone until you king forward and fix your crown. That should believe that you can hype on the next woman because you think you have the right portion. Tie for your big toe when you see for your sister buck is a fact, not a notion. Queens, make we step up in the game. Talk it out while she in a red stripe beer and let go the embarrassment and shame. Put negative emotions aside. In this life, make we take a joyful ride.